All right, everybody. I'm super excited. Welcome to the grand prize giveaway. We're going to have 2 lucky winners today. One person is going to win the full VoiceOver Jumpstart course and a lifetime membership to the community. And somebody that's already in the course, because I'm not leaving you folks behind. People that are in the course, the first name we come upon for someone that's in the course is going to get 4 one-hour one-on-one sessions with me. So 2 huge prizes. Good luck to everybody. And as you know, the top 10 people will have 1 extra ballot in the draw, and the top 3 will have multiple ballots in the draw. So without further ado, let's get into it. And next, for the next grand prize giveaway, make sure you battle for that top spot. More likely to win. All right, so let's get into it, guys. Here we go. Oh, hold on a second. I think I should play some music. Let me play some music real quick. Why not? Thunderstruck. Here we go. How great. Wow. And he wasn't even in the top 3. Well, Dom, I hope you're ready, buddy, because we are going to get to work. Congratulations, Dom. You won lifetime membership to the community, and you also won the course to do with me and 4 one-on-one sessions with it. So Dom is our first winner. Congratulations, Dom. Amazing. It's so funny. Like, how many times have you posted in the community that you want to win this thing? And there you go. Amazing. Congrats, Dom. So we removed Dom out. So now we're going to keep spinning until we land on somebody that's in the course, and they're going to get 4 one-on-one sessions with me. Here we go again. Oh my God. Renee, welcome back to the one-on-one sessions. You get 4 more, okay? I'm super excited to be working with you again. Yeah, let's get to work. All right, congratulations to the winners, Dom and Renee. Super excited to be working with you again. Again for Renee, and super excited to start working with you, Dom. All right, everybody, that is it. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the Q&A and the Saturday Meisner. I'm just so stoked for you guys. The Saturday Meisner workout. So we'll see you guys soon. And I can't wait to announce what the next prize is. I can't wait to think about what the next prize is because I haven't thought of it yet, but it's going to be something awesome. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, for making this community what it is. Cheers.